12. So let's look at number 12
on the very first day. So you have the absolute value of 3x plus 1/2 equals 6. So when you have an absolute value equal to a number, we have to do our case 1 and case 2. So you'll say 3x plus 1/2 equals 6. That's my case 1. And then case 2 is 3x plus 1/2 equals negative 6. And then we work to solve for x. So you'll subtract the half. And if you like decimals, that would be 5.5. If you like fractions, then you could. She's like, no, I don't. Then it would be 11 halves. And then you would divide that by 3. And again, you have a graphic calculator, you have a phone. You would just take out and you would get 5.5 divided by 3. Yeah, it was dropped, so it's like kind of messed up. So 5.5 divided by 3, you might have had 1.833. If you kept it as a fraction, you had 11 over 6. For the other side, that would have been 11 over 2 over 3. Yeah, so it would be 11 over 6 or 1.83 repeating. Yep, Dominique. So for the other side, you would have subtracted 1/2 again. But now you get 3x equals negative 6.5. Or 3x equals negative 13 over 2. So that's one, Nick, I was asking if you meant for the other side. So you divide that by 3. And we get x equals negative 13 over 6. Or, and I don't know what that actually is, as a decimal, 2.16 repeating. Yeah. There we go. I was running out of reading. Everybody better with that? Woo! All right, and then on the back, I know 13 and 15, and I will gladly do any other number you ask me for. But those were the two biggies when I was walking around. Sure. On the back of day 2 or day 1? That's the one I'm doing right now. Well, 13 first, then 15. All right, so we have absolute value, negative 2. You gotta go up above. X is equal to 4. So you replace x with 4 plus 5. N is equal to 2. Plus, now this side is a parenthesis. So that's different than an absolute value. 2 minus 4. So remember parentheses and absolute values are grouping symbols. So you're going to do inside absolute values and inside parentheses before you add. So inside we need to multiply these two terms together first because order of operations says multiplication first. We are on the very, very back page of your packets, guys. Very, very back page. So you have absolute value of negative 8 plus 10, still inside absolute value. Plus, and again, you could have maybe combined like terms here, or you could have waited till the next line. Now with your addition and subtraction combining, so negative 8 plus 10 is absolute value 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. That's not an absolute value, so it stays negative. This is an absolute value, so the absolute value of 2 is 2. Plus negative 2, which is 0. All right. Number 15. So once again, we're going to fill in what we need. So it's 3 absolute value, W, which is 4.5, minus N, which is 2. Close your absolute value. Minus 5, absolute value, Q, which is negative 1.5, minus R, which is negative 3. Close your absolute value. So yes, there is a lot going on in this problem. The first thing I notice is a minus. So what do you notice? What do you know about a minus, Abby? Good. So we're going to change these to positives. So the 3 outside the absolute value does not multiply in. What's 4.5 minus 2? Dominique? Awesome. That minus 5 stays outside. What's negative 1.5 plus 3 now? Got Dominique, what'd you get? Awesome. Me too. Now the absolute value of 2.5 is 2.5. So this becomes 3 times 2.5. So the absolute values become parentheses or multiplication. Minus 5. Absolute values become parentheses or multiplication. Now order of operations say we multiply. So 3 times 2.5, good. Minus 5 times 1.5. Yep. Go ahead, Dominique. Yep. Oh, ironic. Both challenging ones were 0. I hate when they do that. Because then it makes you think for the hard ones are 0. Alright guys, so we have another review handout for you today. You cannot do this review handout on this review paper. This is just all of the practice problems. You will need notebook paper if you need notebook paper. I have notebook paper, Mr. Mannion has some worksheet. So if you think you need notebook paper, you don't have a notebook paper. we are planning to have a little quiz tomorrow on everything we've been doing in this unit. I think you guys should do pretty well with that. You guys have been doing really awesome with this unit in general.
So what we want to do with you today is kind of review each of these types of unit problems. So in that first section, so problem 13 to 21, that's a lot like the problems we just looked at. So that's the case where you're given an equation, and then you have to plug in and substitute. So in number 13, you have the absolute value of 2 times 2.1 plus negative 4.2. Close your absolute value plus 2 times y, which is 3. So you have to fill in what you know, and then simplify. And remember, we're always doing the absolute values first because they're like a grouping term. And we start with our order of operations, which is multiplication. So you have the absolute value, 2 times 2.1. 2 times 2 is 4, yes. I just stuttered with my 2.1. So 2 times 2.1 would be good, Sierra. Perfect. And then you have plus a negative 4.2 inside your absolute values plus what's 2 times 3? Good. What do you know about adding an opposite? What's that called, Dominique? What's the answer going to be? Yeah. So does anybody recall what that property is when you add opposites together? They're called what? What do you think, Dominique? They are kind of like reciprocals, but it's not the reciprocal. That's yeah. Starts with an two words. The second word starts with an I. Yes, the additive inverses. What'd she say? It sounded like inverse to me. See, you should be happy I can't hear sometimes. Is everybody okay with those types of problems? Is there any number from 13 to 21 you look at and you're like, I don't want to do it, I can't do it? Because we're going to do some of these on the board together with the little bit of time we have. Yeah, I think both of those are in mine to do.
We haven't got there yet.
All right, so for 21, fill in what you need to fill in. You have negative 4. C is 2. Minus 3. Plus 2. Fill in Z. Minus A. Which is negative 2. Remember, you work inside your absolute values first. So we're going to do 2 minus 3. What's 2 minus 3? Perfect. So you have negative 4. Absolute value negative 1 plus 2. What's negative 4.2? What do you know happens to a minus a minus? Positives. So negative 4.2 plus 2 is negative 2.2. What does an absolute value do to those negatives? So we get negative 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2.2.
Anything times 1 is
itself.
And 2 times 2.2 is
And 4.4 take away 4 is excellent.
All
right, so somebody said 28. Let's do 28.
I know
it's not.
It's
in the next grouping.
So the
difference from the top grouping is those are evaluated. You're going to get numbers.
In the
next part, we're solving. So you're getting solutions with x equals.
So
let's look at 28.
When we're
solving an absolute value, what's the very first thing we do to that absolute value?
What do you think,
Dominique?
Yeah, I like the word separate
or
split.
We're gonna split to a positive and a negative side. What?
So we have
1 half x plus 5 equals negative 3, and 1 half x plus 5 equals positive 3. We're subtracting 5.
How do you
get rid of a multiplied fraction?
Okay,
you can divide.
Or
what's that word that Dominique tried to give me before? Instead of dividing by half, what could we multiply by? My reciprocal.
So you
could divide negative 8 by a half, or that's like multiplying negative 8 by 2. These mean the same thing.
And we
get x equals negative 16.
And then over here,
3 minus 5 is negative 2. If you multiply by your reciprocal, you get x equals negative 4.
After we solve an absolute value, what do I want you to always do? Check.
No one's caught it yet. When you hissed, I was like, I know why. So I was like, but I want to work it out.
All right,
so what happens when you do 1 half negative 16 plus 5?
We get
absolute value of negative 8 plus 5.
So you get
absolute value of negative 3.
What's the
absolute value of negative 3?
Does a
positive 3 equal a negative 3? Uh-oh.
So why is it wrong? A
positive can't equal a negative.
Okay. So that means that
this does not work. It fails
the
the check. Can anybody tell me why it failed the check? What could I have done from the very beginning, Dominique? Oh. No, she didn't get it. Who else said O? Who noticed? Nevaeh, what'd you notice? Yeah.
What do we
notice?
notice?
We noticed that the absolute value equals a negative number.
The absolute value is always. So can an absolute value ever equal a negative? So what does that tell you about 28 in general?
Good.
See any others in that section that we look back.
Nevaeh, which one? You were up way quick.
Yeah, you
Yeah, you have your hand up.
Yeah,
24 is no solution. 27.
So
tomorrow on your quiz, what are you going to do if you see an absolute value equal to a negative?
You're just going to put no solution. Do not waste more time doing all of this math. Because if you forget to do your check, you're going to try to tell me that x is equal to negative 16 and negative 4, aren't you? All right, guys, that's your assignment for tomorrow. We're going to, if you have any questions on this tomorrow before class, we'll go over them before your quiz.